Hello, scrappers. Today I thought I'd tear down a few of these ice makers. I've got a pile of them. I've got an old metal wash tub full of them. And then I want to do that test with them. Spray some of that copper sulfate. These here may be stainless and magnet sticks to it, so could be stainless, but it's magnetic stainless. And I took the Phillips bit off and I need it. Guess I'll bring that magnet over here, stick it there. Hopefully I have enough light. I might ought to run over here real quick and turn this other light on. Been a busy week, 10-hour days, and today's Saturday, and I put in 7.5 today. Got a little copper bearing motor right there, and then we've got a bunch of strips of copper in here too, so for those that micro scrap. Of course, I guess you wouldn't be tearing these down if you didn't micro scrap. So I'll just put that right there for now. So we tear that out of there, and then we got 2 more screws right in here. Phillips head. Wonder if that one came loose enough. There it is. All this other plastic falling off of it, which is good. Now this rod right here is brass, and what I found works good is get a pair of channel locks. And basically just get a hold of it and it pulls right out. So that's brass. I got a little bucket right here to put my brass in for now. Okay, just got another 1/4 inch underneath it. Switch bits. Guess if I was going to try to save time, I'd just go from one to the other while I got the one bit in there and knock them all out. So now we got our heating element that heats it up to just before it kicks the ice cubes out. And sometimes like this one just pops right out. Others are glued in pretty good, and you're going to have to fight with them a bit. I'm going to check this one. I got some kind of a coating over it. I don't know if it's plastic or what, but it's my copper sulfate solution. Now remember, if it turns black, it's die cast, and that's not turning, so that's definitely. And from what I under what CJ Scrap, yes, CU Scrapping is telling me that that copper sulfide solution will also work on magnesium. With magnesium, it bubbles, I guess. And then I had another viewer tell me he's got some magnesium, and he checks it with apple cider vinegar. He said if there's a reaction, then it's magnesium. So I take it if there's no reaction, then it's not. Okay, we also have it looks like 2 copper contacts right there are brass. Looks like brass. Yeah, we got a couple pins right here, so I might play with that later and see how difficult. Oh, we got a plug right there. See how difficult that is. And of course, a little bit of wire. I got a bucket right over here to put the wire in. Drop the piece. And you kind of clean the floor up in here and get the leaf blower and blow all this stuff out of here one of these days. These plastic pieces here that come off these ends, they make good little parts trays. For small stuff. Yeah, I got screws on there. The way I take these out of the refrigerators, I just use a pry bar and just break them off. Make it quick. Okay, I'm going to pull all these screws at one rack. So this one's got a few 1/4 inches underneath. We'll just work these as a set. Yeah, let's get these screws out of the way. I should just bring a magnetic tray over here. Always get a load of trash. Yeah, sometimes they don't want to come off. I just kind of pop them. They usually just pop right off. Yeah, get this wire out of there. Get our wire here. And you don't want to come out of there, so we'll just go ahead and leave that. Okay, I think I can get in right here and pry it. Okay, now put the Phillips on. Hope everybody's doing okay. We're getting awful close to Christmas. Less than a week away. Hope everybody's got their Christmas shopping done or close to it. Got home from work today and the wife and I ran up to Walmart and picked up some pies. Had to go over there by the bakery to get the pies. They were all out in the freezer section. A lot of apple pie. They still had some cherry and I think I picked up a lemon. Pecan pie. I think. I don't remember if I got that pecan or not. I know my wife likes cherry, so we got a cherry. Yeah, that screw got away. Hey, if you're liking these videos, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Hit that like button, share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more. Okay, I got all the screws out, so I guess I've got to pry this one. Sometimes they come out real easy, sometimes you got to pry them. You got to give them a little force. I'll pull these motors out and throw them in I got a little bucket in there with those little motors like that. So, okay, I got another one here on the bottom, but I already switched over. So I guess I'll do this one the slow way, do it by hand. because it's only one. I'm not sure on this one. It's got to be popped out of there or not. Oh, that's right. I forgot to pull those screws out of there, didn't I? I wonder why that was getting a little playing hard to get. There it comes right off, and all the plastic falls off. Let's get that piece of brass. If you get one of these that don't want to come up too good, I just use a narrow screwdriver and get up underneath and just pry. They usually come out pretty good. I think they weigh pretty close to a pound a piece. Yeah, I'll set that over there, and I'll cut the plug off there, cut that cord off camera. I want to bore you with all the details. Try to keep the videos fairly short, especially with this GoPro, because the file size is so big it takes all night to upload a video. So I always got to try to plan and make my videos well in advance. Yeah, I'm trying to get that clip off there, but I thought, I'll just get this off and it'll come off with it. I forget what they call these heating elements. I need to call a few of the scrap yards. Sure. She likes interrupting these videos. She saw me come out here with the camera, so she knew that I was recording. But they go pretty easy. I probably got 6 or 8 more out there at least. And there's another 1/4 inch bolt right there. That might be aluminum. I'll have to check it. Yeah, I think it is. It doesn't stick to the magnet. Sometimes those cords get in the way and kind of hold that from coming off of there. That's a good way to build up your cast aluminum and get a little bit of brass out of the deal. Get a little bit of copper bearing motors. If you do micro scrapping, you'll probably tear the motors down and get the copper out. If not, you can just throw it in a bucket with copper bearing motors. But that's just about all that for this video. I want to thank you for watching, and like I said, if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would. Can't have too many subscribers. Hit that notification bell to see more videos as I put them out. I try to do them Wednesday and Sunday. Been kind of tossing over the idea of changing to Thursday and Monday. But we'll just see how things go. I should have had the scale out here set up, and I could have weighed these. Maybe the next time. But yeah, like it and share it with your friends. Getting a little cast built up in there. Share with your friends, any other scrapping groups, whatever. And you guys take care. And this is Sunday. I'll probably try to make another video for Wednesday. And what? Friday's Christmas, something like that. So it's getting close. And then New Year's is right behind that. So we'll see you guys later. You guys take care. Get that scrap sold while the prices are good. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.